What's up, guys? Well, unfortunate. Again, we're trying a challenge every video from now on until I don't know when, but I'm not going to use filler words. So if you see me making faces after I say the word or that's why. But yeah, so let's get into it. This trade coming into the morning, we took a long. It was pre-market, but it looked great in my opinion. There was an SMT here. I figured we were just going to keep running higher after this bullish, maneuver here, whatever's going on. Had an SMT, and then after we ran up, I did go break even because we did hit 1-to-1 for breaking the SMT, which is that's where my stop was. Let's move it back to 4. So that's what I was targeting. This would have definitely got me funded or a payout of a lot more than what I needed to, but it's all right. It's whatever. So we got break even on this one. Moving into the market. Also, this was news this morning. So my original targets were up here, as well as London highs. We had up there right above it. And there was data lows, but we did take that prior to market open, which was great because I was bullish on the day. Opened up in the market. I guess market open is what I'm trying to say. We don't really need to look at ES. That's why I moved it over. But bullish coming into the market at 8:30 in the morning. And then we just dumped straight down. I took a long here off of this level, had an SMT. Originally, it was off of this because we did have an SMT right here, like so, like that. And that's originally what I was looking at. But after we made this SMT, I decided, it broke, so I had to get out. It's so tough, though, because this was low a day. That would have been beautiful. Nice, like 9R. Oh my gosh. But it is what it is at this point. If I just stick with my rules, I know that I'm going to be profitable, be coming out with payouts and stuff like that. May not be as fast, but right now I feel like I'm in testing phase of the strategy still. And if I can prove profitability with the risk that, like the parameters that I have, which is 250 risk per trade and then 2 trades per day, and I can continue doing that and prove to myself and in my notes and the journal that's what's going to make me profitable, is taking those risk parameters and not over trading and stuff like that. Then I think from then on I can start sizing up rather than taking more trades, trying to look for better entries, that kind of stuff. Because one trade, since I only lost $180 on this, I think I'm down on the day. Yeah, 179.36. So I only lost $180 on this. The other trade was break even. One trade is going to sweep this whole loss and then some. I'll make 2 to 3 times more than what this loss was in one singular trade, which is great. That's what I love about the model that I'm trading, because it sweeps it out completely. But what I'm getting at is that if I only lose 2 times in one day for 250 risk, at the point to where, what am I trying to say? At the end of the week, if I hit one banger, which is like $1,000, it sweeps those 2 losses out. Just statistically, I should not lose in turn for my RR. And originally I was always like, you need a really high win rate and it doesn't matter about the RR, but I genuinely do think that RR is more important than a win rate, because I think my win rate is only like 45 to 50%. But since my RR is very high, and then with one mini, I think that was the first time I said I was doing good. Dude, that was 4 minutes of talking without saying the word If you caught something else, let me know. But yeah, so 4 RR with 1 mini, that's $1,000. I mean, even like a 3 RR is $750 with a $250 risk. So either way, technically each week I should be coming out on top. I don't know about this week though, because Thursday is a news day and I don't really trade Fridays with this strategy. It's just weird. I mean, I get the whole It's a I didn't think it was a bank holiday is what I'm trying to say. I didn't know it was a bank holiday that they would shut down the markets and stuff like that. And it's going to throw off the week. Friday is going to be weird because, you know, the day before, which was Thursday, which is the 19th for Juneteenth, going to be shut down. I don't think I'm going to do much on Friday, and that's what I'm kind of getting at. So, let's just do the verse of the day and we'll wrap the video up. Not much else to see. Very choppy. I don't think this was really choppy. I think it was actually a really good day for the strategy. Pretty good. But okay. As I'm pulling it up, guys, in the description. Also, please subscribe. I'm almost to 200. I believe we're sitting at like 180, 181 right now. Let me look. In the meantime, please join the Discords in the description. There's one for SPS. They do live trading every single day. That's where I'm at every morning, talking to people and helping as much as I can. In my Discord, I'm also active in there all day, every day. So if you join that, ask me some questions, just come chat. We're at 181. Guys, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 200 by, I don't know, the end of the month. I think that would be cool. And then from there on, we'll set more goals and hopefully run those. But all right, so we got 2 Corinthians 1, 3-4. All praise to God, the Father of our Lord Jesus Christ. God is our merciful Father and the source of all comfort. He comforts us in all of our troubles so that we can comfort others. When they are troubled, we will be able to give them the same comfort God has given us. And this basically goes out to when you give your life to Christ, you will feel comfort. And this is what I ask every morning whenever I pray. And yes, I have been praying a lot every single morning for the past like weekish. So if you give your life to Christ and you have, you know, God fulfilling your life, then there's a better chance of you being able to fulfill someone else's life with God as well and give them that same like comfort and satisfaction of being in a relationship with God and helping them feel better, pushing through whatever they're going through, whatever it is. But yeah, guys, if you do follow Christ, go ahead and today, you know what could you do today? I don't know, just smile at someone today. Tell them you like their shoes. Make them happy. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy. And I feel like the video is boring. I don't know. If you guys like this whole don't use a filler word thing, I'm trying to work on it for my professional speaking. But it's hard. And I feel like there's a lot of dead space in the video now. And it's just a weird video and it feels awkward. But yeah, I guess I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Unfortunate loss today, but it could be a lot worse. I'm still thankful that I get to try and do this every day. So yeah, again, please subscribe, like the video, push it out to other people, and get me to 200. See you guys tomorrow.